Actually, we are participating from 2007 when the Poultry India started such type of exhibition. Actively, we are participating in every year, and we are getting a very good response in the terms of expansion of our business, in the terms of promotion of the product. And we are getting a lot of idea during this exhibition because all the international companies, they are participating in this IPMA. Actually, our company is around 2,200 crore turnover company. Our company started in 1985 with a very small poultry farm, and after that we are in many business. And in India, we are the only company who is having the closed houses in the broiler, 100% broiler in our closed house, breeder as well as in closed house. And layer also we are making a closed house, and this year probably we will keep all layer in closed house. Apart from the poultry operation, we have the biggest dairy operation in India. We have around 6,000 milking animal and producing on an every day 30,000 liter milk per day. Apart from the dairy business, we have the biggest fishery operation in India. We started the first extruder floating fish feed business in India, and now we are producing around 15 to 16,000 metric ton feed in a month. Apart from this fish feed business, we have the shrimp feed business also. Shrimp feed, we are the first company in India who launched the extruded shrimp feed. Within a year, we are producing 2,000 metric ton in a month. And we are, our concept is clicking everywhere because the farmers really are working for the farmers, and they are getting really the benefit. Every year we are participating. You can see the person who is standing in our stall, so it's a self-explanatory, and because we are truly nutritional company, so we are dealing all the nutritional product. So and our companies always believe on the integration of the best technology what we have, and apart from this business, we have the backward integration as well as the forward integration. Backward integration means in the terms of broiler or layer production, we have our own raw materials like a high protein soybean meal, high protein defatted rice bran. Again the high protein soybean, you see our company started. Our company started in 2005. 2005 we started high pro soybean. That time people were unable to accept our concept, but slowly we turned the market, and nowadays around 30% the big feed miller, they are depend upon the high pro soybean meal. So always we do so many innovation for the industry and benefit for the industry. And apart from that, we have the pet food business also. We are the second biggest pet food manufacturer in India after Pedigree. Pedigree, they produce around 800 to 1,000 metric ton, and we produce around 600 metric ton in a month. So these are all the business operation.